I don't know what.
We in Elton, Georgia. The E word, Georgia. Eat on time.
Eat on time. Eat on time.
Eat on time.
Eaton? Eaton?
No, they say eat on time.
Eat on time. This is gonna be our first time getting on the boat, right? Well, my first time.
Girl, I don't know.
My hair. When you think it look good, but it really don't. I don't be knowing where to look. Like, do I look straight?
Look at her.
Like, I can't see her. Oh, she ready to eat.
Okay, look at which ones.
Hold on. She's talking about what shoes should she wear with her gray. It really don't matter. You ugly.
Out here.
Say hey, Carmen.
No, hey Carmen.
Shut up.
Let me do a TikTok. No, don't
Why are
watch
you
me.
so cringy? Let's hey to mama. Mom. Say hey.
Not bad.
Hey, no problem. Appreciate it. Thank you.
Let's do that, man.
He took her food.
Oh, this is so pretty. You're pretty, Carly.
Let me see.
I know.
No, she not.
You can see all the bumps on your face.
Why would you do that?
Hey y'all, we're in the place now. Sorry about the lighting and like, oh, my new phone looks so clear. But we're in here and we about to get on the boat. Sorry, this vlog is gonna be everywhere. You ready? You got your pink life jacket? Did you pick it out?
No, she did.
Oh. It's You got everybody one?
You already had about money.
Daddy, you got everybody one?
You want to see mine?
You already had them.
Mine.
Hold on.
The pink one?
Yes.
The fishing rods. You gonna have to put the worms on mine. I don't do that.
Okay, let me get mine.
Okay. Say hey.
Hello.
Hey, boo.
Oh, baby girl.
Why you? She's saying it because she's scared.
She's scared.
Like if we go in the corner somewhere, we're gonna get right back out here and go back.
Wow. My phone.
You can't go no far anyway.
Why you so close?
If I knew that right there, dog, I would have came up here and jumped. Y'all don't want to know.
Mama.
Apologize, I ain't fish.
Say cheese. I zoomed all the way in on her.
Did you want to learn how to do that?
I want to get on.
You can rent those too.
Yep.
You can rent those too.
I feel like I won't fall off, so I'll be good.
Just don't turn too fast.
Can you stop? Let me see how I look. Do I look okay? No, you ugly.
Y'all know what y'all doing?
You done bought all that stuff. I don't spend $50 that Capella. Ain't no telling what I spent that Walmart.
Carly, you gonna do it? Yeah? No? What about you, Moon? Are you gonna do it? You gonna fish? No? You ain't gonna even try? That's super messed up. How you gonna take all that out?
Huh?
Mine broke.
You got one?
You on the phone. You got the whole kit.
Man's supposed to fly. Look at him. He all out the water. Look at him. Yeah.
White boy, look.
Now you know I'm down for that.
I think all y'all got it.
What?
You get a boat. One boat.
You not gonna stay with Daddy?
No, we in there.
I'm in the car. We literally lasted only an hour. She was ready to go. We was ready to go. Okay, so we are now in the hotel that we're in. It's actually pretty nice. I like it. I don't know how this vlog is gonna go. This is my first time like really vlogging out, and I know I'm doing horrible at it. But like I said, we only stayed there for about an hour because it was really hot. And if my eyes is moving everywhere, I don't know where I'm supposed to look. I'm really trying to get the hang of this. So don't judge the girl. Just wait on it. She's gonna get her vlogging skills on point. We are in Walmart now and we're looking for the paint for the bathroom. This is gonna be a great jump cut. Yeah. So I'm gonna flip the camera around. I don't know what kind of paint I know we want white. What kind of paint do you want? Do you want latex? What kind of paint? This camera is really good. I feel like we shouldn't look at those because it might not be over here, and then I'm gonna get mad if I see something I want and I don't get it. What you think? Huh? Maybe to save some time I might like wait. I don't know. Do we want matte? I think we shouldn't get. It's like this says ready to go. Well, that's.
How you know what color it is?
They usually have it on the top. It's not on the top. Should I get the primer? And we're gonna need paint brushes. How much is all this gonna cost? We're gonna get something like that too. Hold on.
The wood one or that?
I want the wooden one. But I don't know. Unless mama buy it. That's the only thing she buy. But that one's like $77. And that one goes more with the bathroom. I don't know. I got the paint. I end up getting the Kills Complete Coat Paint and Primer ready to use white. I got rollers and that brush. And I also got some more brushes from Walmart and some tape. I was like, I don't know what I was thinking, but I was like, this looks more like the deal. Clothes I gotta put up. But anyways, this is what we're gonna do in my restroom, bathroom, whatever you call it. Okay, so we in the restroom, bathroom, and I tried to make it as clean as possible. I am the only one that's doing this for right now. People said that would help me, but I don't know. But your girl is doing it alone, and she's doing great at it. Honestly, I have no idea like what I'm really doing. Got my utensils and the paint is down there. I know you're supposed to stir it, but I don't have anything to really stir with, I don't think. I didn't even know that it was not attached. So yeah, if you buy this, you got to attach it. Is this what you stir it with? Should I stir it with it? We're here, we're doing it, Okay. Oh, it's just paint. Oh, okay, it's okay. Like a week later, I'm not gonna lie, I finally finished. It's not tan anymore, it's white, so this is how it looks. Pure white. Oh, and my gold rod came in. I'm so excited, and I am going to change that. I am. And I'm also gonna change that, but it's white. It's all white. It's finally coming together. I'm so excited. But please, like, comment, and subscribe if you want to see more of this video. You talking about I am going to redo this bathroom. It is coming together. So make sure you tune into my YouTube channel to find out the final, what word am I looking for? The final look. So thank you for watching again. Love you. See you next time.